Hello there! Today we're going to learn how to remove the background from the image, or better yet, whatever object that we want, and remove whatever's behind it. Okay, so for an example that we can get here is Mr. Loki here. So you copy the image, open your Photoshop, and then what you do is Control V or Command V to paste, and then what you do is very easy, super easy. What you want, even with the hairs and so on, you just click on properties here, scroll down, remove background. That's that, it's done. That's all you do. That is all you do. One click, click them all, and then you have it. Now you have Loki. I hope this helps you. If you like it and it helps you, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.